Joining me today is Rachel Howard of FamilyEverAfterBlog.com, and she and her family made this great project. Welcome, everybody.
Hi, thank you.
Rachel, do you want to introduce your kids?
Yeah, this is Reese, and she's 8 years old. Over here is Paisley, she's 6, and here's Weston, and he's 4.
All right, well, let's take a look at this awesome project that you guys made. Looks like a construction site.
Yes, the kids have been really into tractors this summer, so we were trying to think of something that we could do to play with their tractors. So here's our construction site, and inside we have lots of things to play with.
All right, well, how do we get started?
All right, Weston, can you show us the first thing to do? First we need the bin.
So here's the first thing you need is the bin.
All right, so it looks like you need a clear bin.
Clear
so you
bin,
can see
right,
what's inside.
to contain everything. And then Paisley has the next thing.
And then we have a type of brown felt.
Okay.
And that's
Supposed to look like dirt.
great.
It does look like dirt.
And then Reese has the next thing.
What do you have, Reese?
I have a bag of sand.
All right, so you could use playground sand, or you can use some colored craft sand.
If you want to, you can use some colored sand.
Yeah, so do we just dump that into the tub?
You dump this into the tub next to the dirt, but not on top.
That's a good idea.
Try not to get it out of the bin.
That's important.
And glue it.
All right,
Yep, and you just button it. Thank you.
very good.
Okay, and then Weston, here, you can wipe your hands. Weston has something else for us. What's this?
Peas. These are peas, but we're pretending they're rocks.
That's a great idea. You could put some real rocks in there too if you wanted to, huh?
Yep, these are dried beans. Good. Yeah, you
Okay.
could. Okay, and then Paisley has something else.
What do you have, Paisley?
I have clear rocks. Just make sure your little brother doesn't choke on them if you have a little brother.
That's a great tip.
And we just had a little brother this summer, so
All right, so you want to
We're
keep those out
learning.
of a baby's reach.
that's right. Go ahead.
That makes it pretty.
Okay, Reese.
Some extra things for your loaders to pick up later.
Exactly.
Good idea.
Lots of fun things. Okay.
And then you can gather up some real rocks. So you
Smart.
just open up the bag. Thank you.
Yeah,
And then you can just dump it
that's a good
on the
idea.
sand wherever
Yeah.
you want.
Can
Then
put
just set your weight down.
Mm-hmm.
And the next thing you need is the tools so the tractors can pick them.
That's a really good idea. It looks like a real construction site now.
Good job, Weston. All right, Paisley, can you show us the boulders?
Yeah, so here we have some boulders. These ones aren't painted yet, but these ones are.
Good.
Oh,
Go ahead
very
and put them
good.
on the felt.
So you can paint those with some acrylic paint.
And Reese.
Okay.
And after the painted boulders, you can just get some yellow tape and then with a Sharpie, just write caution. Then you can just...
Very good.
Yeah, we thought that would be a fun decoration.
That is a good idea.
Weston, what's this?
And the next thing you need is some paper thin. We're using it to clean the tractors.
You use it to clean your tractors when you're all done? All right, that's a really good idea.
And
Cool.
Paisley, you have something to put all these rocks in, right?
Yeah. So if there's any cups laying around your house, like these ones, you can set it in right here in the corner.
Yeah, and you can add some dirt to make it look natural in there.
That
Good.
looks great.
So we have everything in there now except for one last thing.
Tractor!
Yeah, go ahead and you guys can start playing.
This is a great idea, you guys. I love it. You can go around and pick everything up and put it in the cup.
And then when we're all finished playing, we've got a lid to keep the mess contained inside. And I'm going to put the lid on right here. Oh, he's going to clean off his tractors real quick.
Good idea.
Yeah, this is a great sensory toy.
It is a really good idea. And you know
Involves a
what?
lot
I bet
of
you guys had a
senses.
lot of fun making this craft together that you can play with afterward.
that on for
So
now.
you get to enjoy
right.
making and playing. That's fun.
Yeah.
What other kinds of crafts do you like to do?
We like to make some outfits for stuffed animals.
Oh, that's a really good one. I love it. He's got to keep playing, Mom.
Yep. It's too much fun to put the lid on it.
Definitely.
He really likes to play with his cars at home.
Yeah.
We all like to play with Play-Doh sometimes.
Oh, that sounds like a lot of fun. You know what? I bet you guys have a lot of fun playing and crafting together. I'm so glad you came today. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
All right, and we're going to be right back with another great project for you.